TypeScript or JavaScript? Which one should you use in 2025? If you are confused about which language is right for your next project, you are not alone. Today, we will break down the key differences, strengths, and use cases to help you decide. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will have a crystal clear answer. Imagine this: you are building a web application and everything is going smoothly until you encounter a bug so obscure it takes hours to fix. Turns out it was caused by a simple type mismatch that JavaScript did not warn you about. Frustrating, right? This is where TypeScript steps in. JavaScript, being dynamically typed, allows you to write flexible code quickly. But this flexibility comes at a cost. Type errors that can be hard to debug. You need to balance development speed with code reliability. TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript, introduces static typing to catch errors early, saving your time and headaches. Are you tired of runtime errors and debugging nightmares? Let's uncover whether TypeScript is your silver bullet or if sticking to JavaScript still makes sense in 2025. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, adding static typing and other advanced features. Errors are caught at compile time, not runtime. Example: here you see error argument of type string is not assignable to parameter of type number. So this error was caught at compile time, not runtime. JavaScript is a lightweight, dynamically typed language used everywhere: web, mobile, server, quick prototyping, and extensive ecosystem. Example: here you see the outputs is 53. But basically here you see we are adding one is a number and other one is a string. So there is no error here. Output is 53. But in TypeScript you see when we are going to add one number and one string, it gives us an error at compile time that string is not assignable to a parameter of type number. So when do these differences matter? Let's explore real world scenarios. Ideal for quick prototypes or small scale applications where speed is critical, minimal configuration, and faster setup. Perfect for scenarios where flexibility outweighs strict typing. Think of JavaScript as a Swiss Army knife: simple, versatile, and gets the job done for most journal tasks. Static typing ensures maintainable and scalable code bases, easier collaborations in teams with clear type definitions, advanced IDE support for auto-completion and real-time error checking, reduces debugging time and improves developer productivity. If JavaScript is the Swiss Army knife, TypeScript is the power tool, precise, efficient, and designed for the big leagues. Used by major companies like Microsoft, Google, and Slack for their applications. GitHub's 2024 developer survey, over 75% of developers prefer TypeScript for new projects. Remains the backbone of web development. Frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue thrives on JavaScript. The question is not about choosing the best language overall, it is about choosing the best language for your needs. So here is the bottom line. Choose TypeScript if you are building large, scalable, or team-driven projects where reliability is key. Stick with JavaScript if you need speed, flexibility, and are working on small-scale or dynamic projects. Still unsure? Why not try both? Many projects even mix JavaScript with TypeScript for the best of both worlds. Let me know in the comments what is your go-to language and why. See you in the next video.